there's negativity, but I also want to show the positivity of everyday people. Even you guys all coming together like this. Amazing, man, amazing, right? So the world needs to see it, and who knows? Maybe another community sees this and get motivated themselves.
Yeah.
Like, hey, we can put our own little dream team together and help people, right? So
yeah,
it's a positive thing that you guys are doing, no doubt.
Yeah. So me have so Jella, me have one for Layla. I have 20 US here, Jella. Come Jenna for Layla from Sevilla.
Good mate speak for itself.
Yeah.
Love you, Sevilla.
How a stranger could want to help you?
Yeah,
Amazing.
for real. You see, even before Kino came around here, the ceiling was so bad. When I lie on the piece of mattress that I was sleeping on, and when I look up there, some cats. They're big.
That's a big cat.
Yeah. I when I looking up there, I was saying, damn, they're gonna sprung on me.
We have the whoa. We have the whoa, you know. It's a drip from Kev Lifestyle yard and abroad.
Kev Lifestyle from yard and abroad. No love and respect, you know.
Yeah. I will call this not rice and peas, because you know that's rice and peas, right? We call it nice and peas.
Nice and peas. So from this day forth, when I go to the restaurant, I'm asking for some nice and peas.
Yeah. Christmas bliss.
Man, you have a powerful team. How does it feel to walk through the street like this? Like Michael Jackson?
No,
you have a
them always say when you do good, you know. They're representing for the good. Yeah. Alright. Well. Dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Clean team.
One team.
Well, welcome. We could get Christmas list. A round of applause, please. We have Christmas list. Welcome. I'm here to welcome myself back home. See I'm here. Welcome myself back home. Yes. What the love,
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yes, sir.
Christmas list. Christmas list is here. Well, Dream Team 1 team, Dream Team 1. Whoa! Christmas list.
Yes.
Chris.
Pleasure to meet you, sir.
This is the wow chef.
Yeah.
So this man now is the chef.
The chef.
We help out the needy in the community.
Nothing better than that, my friend.
Yeah. So we call him wow chef.
Okay.
You know, because when him cook like
You say,
whoa. You know.
Hey, hopefully I get to try sometime.
This is Mighty Joe.
Michael Joe.
He's
Nice
one
to
of the
meet you.
members that man's work with, you know, jack of all trade, but help out with what we do. This is the man who always give a left or a right,
Nice to meet you.
you know. I know we always have the outside looking in the same way, you know. Great people of
Great
Trenchtown.
pies of dog.
Yes.
And I love both yellow, red, black, white. I love people, not really color. Okay?
I like that.
Smiley.
Nice to meet you. Smiley?
Smiley
I
there.
see why.
Baby! And this is Esther,
Nice to meet you, Esther.
aka Bumming Ball. You know, and we have light parks. Come in light parks. And we have light parks as well too.
What is this here?
This is where we cook for the elders. This
Nice
is
to meet you.
so this is the headquarters of our chill, and this is where we cook and feed the needies them, yeah?
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
we have another lady here which is we call her Carrion, you know?
Chris.
She's
Chris from Canada.
Yeah, chicken lady.
She's some chicken and then stick my name.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So them call her Chicken Thief. We'll change the name from Chicken Thief. And you have, it's a part of the team as well too. His name is Painter.
Painter.
You know, he's a man that paints.
I'm assuming he paints, yeah.
Yeah, so come
Yes, sir.
to
Nice to meet you.
Painter.
Chris, Canada.
Chris. And you have one more the ladies them come up right here.
Yes.
Her name is Baby. You know, all the man them overseas are going bad for the body, you know. Yeah, when you see that, yeah, when you see the body, them say, wow. So you have the single ladies them. This is Baby, this is Chris. Muscles, Pauline, you know. And we there have Jamaica, Chris.
Yes.
Muscles. So you know, once you say Chris, must have to pass through, and the list go on and on.
Exactly.
So say Chris.
Never ending.
Never. So Chris must have to pass through to see the dream team, and the list go on and on and on. So you know, check out Chris Muscles on YouTube.
I'm honored, man. I appreciate it.
You know, I'm honored as well too.
Yes.
You know.
Well, we spent some time together, and then I pull out my camera and I'll
Yeah.
do some video as well. I wanna promote the goodness what you guys.
Yeah,
are doing.
man. Cause we have the place that we can show you working, and I can show you a couple of projects that we finished already.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, so when you settle down and everything now, and a couple of the members then we can just make our work.
Yeah,
You
for
know,
sure.
we show you our going. So it's a Chris, that's what I'm saying, Chris, it's a must to see the dream team on the list go on and on and on. And this is Boom. This is Rasta Boom.
Yes, Rasta.
Rasta Messi.
Nice to
He's
meet you.
part of the team as well too.
Trying to see what this. Oh, Cameroon. Cameroon's one country I haven't been to yet.
Yes, and I've been to
I've been
Kino.
all over Africa.
But not
maybe
Cameroon.
25 countries.
Okay. So we have the outdoor cooking and go on here.
Yes.
You know, so the wow chef and light parks and the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. You know, we can show you how go on.
Here, I might as well pull out the camera. Let's
Yeah.
some work. Can't be lazy.
So we have some. Alright, so we have, as you can see.
So it's cooking. I'm sure you guys are talking.
Yeah, man, fried chicken.
Smells good. Okay.
Dream to come true. So Kino is like part of a dream.
Yes.
So you just make it dream team that this is like you make part of a dream come true. Maybe not all,
Yes.
part of a dream
One step
come
forward.
true.
Yeah. One step
one
forward.
step forward, part of a dream.
I wanna find out more about him when he's not here. I'll talk to you guys about him. Sometimes it's hard to talk about somebody. You understand and we're watching you, but we'll definitely get into it. Yeah. I'm honored to be here. I was here a couple days ago, walking through the community, and now I get to see a more in-depth look. So
Is the same Kino in front of me?
my goal today to help as many people as we can. So
And as I say, Chris now, you know, he's a man been traveling. How much country you traveling?
123.
123 countries travel. And by himself.
but not the way that average people travel. For example, like 3 months ago, I had dinner with the Taliban in Afghanistan. You know, I've been to tribes in Africa where they never seen not only a white person, but they never seen somebody outside of their tribe before.
Yeah.
Right? So I've been everywhere. You name a country, and I've been there. So
Yeah, because
178 countries. Yeah. I've been to war. I've experienced 123. So
and you still have more to go.
hit every one before I hit 50. So I'm on a consistent mission to travel. And this is how I travel. I travel alone, and I go into the neighborhoods nobody else normally visits. Right?
Yeah. And I'm alone travel.
Yeah.
You know. So I'm a the ninja.
Yeah, that's
As him call himself him a ninja. You know, as I say, he's doing great work as well too, because he's not gonna only highlight, because you know Trenchtown have a stigma itself.
Yeah.
But he's not on that today. He's about highlighting the positive, the good,
Yeah.
where people don't see. Because when you see on the news and the YouTube, they always hear
only
about
negative.
the negative.
Yeah. Listen, I'm a strong believer in realism, like showing the real life is hard, right? I don't want to shy away from that. There's negativity, but I also want to show the positivity of everyday people. Even you guys all coming together like this. Amazing, man. Amazing, right? So the world needs to see it. And who knows? Maybe another community sees this and get motivated themselves.
Yeah.
Be like, hey, we can put our own little dream team together and help people, right? So
yeah,
it's a positive thing what you guys are doing, no doubt.
Yeah, it's a
I'm
great
just excited to be here.
Yeah.
I reached out to him. First, I walked by this, and it sparked a note because somebody left a comment like, you can't go to Trenchtown and not see Kino. So everything just lined up perfect, and now we're here. So
Sometimes your culture yard.
yeah,
People just come here.
I know. For me, that's not my. I appreciate it, but for me, this is my culture yard. Like just talking to people.
No, I just
Yeah.
told you the rest of all.
No, I know.
That white people just pour the place in.
Yeah.
Nobody tell them say don't come.
Yeah. See me, I like just to walk around by myself. I don't want a tour guide. Culture yard, it's a tour guide.
Yeah. Cause the man say him always hear a story about Bob Marley and them say him say no one hear no story, more hear a
Not
story
today,
about
you know what I mean?
the people them how they're living, you know,
When they
what
see
they're
me
going
white
through.
and I want to talk about the community, all they want to talk about is Bob Marley. And I respect the man, but I want to learn this. I want to talk about this, what you guys are doing. Bob Marley will be another day. We'll talk about it.
Yeah. So it's all about the good, you know.
Yeah.
So finally now we have somebody who can come and push out the good because them always say people should highlight the good one and do more. And him take it up for himself now and say, no, I need to make the world see the good that Kino and the Dream Team is doing. Because it seems like say it's not everyone knows about the good, but they will definitely hear about the negative, you know. So I really appreciate that for him as well to coming by and say, Kino, I want to highlight the good that you're doing because boy, it's a great thing, you know. It's an almighty blessing for you to try to help out someone else,
Yeah, it's
you know, to find.
But I mean, the community is stronger because of it. So yeah, amazing.
And it's a great thing, you know. And as when you're ready, you know, when a couple of the members them reach here and everything, we can show you the current project that we're working on as well too. And we can show you the project them that we already done already, like, and everything is through donation. You know, people that watch the program and donate towards the cause, you know. I remember each and every one of us that you see here, everyone volunteer them time, you know. No one ever come, because it's not a monetary gain thing, it's nothing about money. So everyone is born and grow in the community as well too, and them like the goodness that we're doing. You know, so once you're a part of the good, you're more than welcome. You know, so everyone come now, we just make it work. As a team, we make it work. And eventually we meet more of us, you know, by coming out, you will see more of them and you see the good that we've been doing. And I also thank our extended family, you know, because without the extended family it would have been impossible. You know, we thank them so much for supporting this program. You know, it's a blessing. It's almost 3 years now. I would thank Chris, Moss, Liz, you know, and you too. So when you say Chris, it's a must to come and see Dream Team. Must. And the list go on and on and on. You know, and I say we are continuing the goodness that we've been doing. You know, we're going to show them around, them can see the goodness that we've been doing. See, and I would thank him so much to be a part of our journey. I would thank Chris so much to be a part of the journey. You know, it's really a blessing, you know.
Yes, the extended family, the donors and the volunteers and yourself. Yeah, much respect. Every community in the world needs a bunch of you guys to make the world a better place.
Definitely, man. Definitely.
Kino, you need to go back a foreign. Can you come back, you put on whole heap of weight, and your face proud and pretty foreign, agree with your man.
But you really don't want to go with
I really don't want you to go with me, I miss you. I will miss single Wednesday.
Exactly. Hey, miss, I don't mean she, I single Wednesday she miss. Yeah. Because we have a program we do called Single Wednesdays, you know. And on Wednesday we go live. And you know, and the ladies them single. So the viewers them overseas, the gentlemen them call in, if them see someone that they like. You know, and them try to get to know each other. So it's like it's a connection same way. We're helping out the single ladies them
Create a way
for them, you know. And we have a lady as well to she's not here yet, you know. We have someone from the overseas come here and engage to her, you know, through the same program. So we're going to make that announcement as well too, you know. So big up yourself, 5-0. We're going to big up 5-0, you know.
5-0, not say a word. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Straight, you're
Big up yourself, you know,
5-0. Patrick, big up yourself.
Yeah, so 5-0.
Alan, big up yourself, same way.
Yeah, man.
Deborah, the whole house just go and stay and big up on yourself.
So 5-0 come and engage to one of the ladies them in Trenchtown, which is why I tell her it's a great. So we have colors, coming colors. So this is colors.
I can see why they call them colors.
Can you see why? See there?
Boy and man.
Yeah, Kino told me, so that is why I put on this Bob Marley out here.
Yeah, so you're prepared.
Yeah.
But you wear your shoes like my son wears his shoes.
Oh, that's yard shoes, you know.
Yeah.
We have going out shoes every time we're heading towards the airport, you know.
So today you toned down a little bit. This is just a regular day.
Yeah, it's normally bright.
Come take a look around the cottage, you know.
Yeah. So when we call the cottage is that the place that we fix up for him. Yeah. Because we renovate a place for him as well too. So.
Okay. For him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Chanel.
Yeah, man.
Oh shit, it's just as colorful as I would imagine.
Yeah.
That's why Kino is very proud of me, you know.
Yes.
And the extended family car, you know. I spend money in the cottage, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So big difference before and after.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, and
I want to say you still live.
yeah, a bit more, brother.
You see me? Because I want to say you still live in all them years there.
Bit more,
Yuki Jam.
brother.
Long time for
Joseph, you tell me, you know, say, yeah, that come, you see it?
Yeah.
Fuck me, man.
January.
Tell it, you know, man.
Them live it here, I go on DJ.
Tell her.
So I just see you, man, fix man.
Yeah. Fresh things. I mean, I have to sell out or something, you know, because you see,
Yeah, we sell out some things.
yeah, for good to live one for one.
See on the floorboard. Floor lick out as well to on DJ, man. Struggle.
Nothing wrong, brother.
You never have no sheep on your bed and a proper. You never have no proper bed. Bed on put in there. John. So you still have this bag and anything there?
Still I use a bag, yeah. No, Pampers my wear.
Or Pampers you wear?
Yeah, cause not enough people not even know say Chuck did mash up in here.
Yeah, cause explain to you again how it happened to you back in the day.
Chuck did run over me and mash up the waistline.
Mash up the waistline.
Yeah, brother, see Pampers.
Oh, Pampers you have, you know.
Yes,
Cause I know one time when I was young you used to have the true.
Yeah. But yeah, I show you flex like nothing they ever do me, you know. That's why more wild people I say my heart here and you see me.
Condition poor man DJ, I know.
Tell a key, man.
Never know how to say the condition this day for true, you know.
Yeah, God, my mom made that show you from.
The ceiling, you know. You need that bed too. DJ, original man, not the place still long time, you know.
We buy our refrigerator. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
And that is what we buy there, and this is what we buy again. And we're fun, you know, and all those lovely curtains.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
you're grateful. You're grateful for the people that donated.
What? Oh my! Ask Kino. I talk about those people night and day, bro.
Yes.
Night and day.
Strangers, complete strangers.
Huh?
Complete strangers.
That donated money.
Yeah.
Amazing, no?
Oh my gosh, man.
How a stranger could want to help you?
Yeah.
Amazing.
For real. You see, even before Kino came around here, the ceiling was so bad. When I lie on the piece of mattress that I was sleeping on, and when I look up there, some cat. They're big.
That's a big cat.
Yeah. I when I looking up there, I was saying, damn, they gonna sprung on me. The way they're so big.
Okay.
Yeah, some big rat too. So the day when Kino come around here on the video and say, oh my God, colors, yes, you really need some help, bro.
Yeah.
I was so glad and see him there.
Rasta Jackson, this is one more of our member.
Yes, member. Chris. Nice to meet you, sir.
Rasta Jackson. Yes.
Man, you have a powerful team. How does it feel to walk through the street like this? Like Michael Jackson?
No,
you have a
always say
strong
when you do good, you know, they're representing for the good.
Yeah, you do good.
Yeah.
People will follow your lead.
Yeah, so we're trying to gravitate. big up on the raccoon family, because you know we meet the raccoon family and overseas. So I want to thank the raccoon family. So we provide the food today. So I want to take out the bag. So we have rice and peas there. You know, and we have the raccoon family. And you see the raccoon family, we really have a big number because when I went to visit them, trust me, the way them live, the name raccoon is not like a gang or anything, but them live as a family.
Yes,
you know, and unity. And it just represents like how we live.
Yeah.
So I was quite surprised when I went there. I'm like, wow, you know, the unity that all them live.
The day before I came to Jamaica, a raccoon snuck in my garage. Raccoon.
Yeah. So wow, so this is the wow chef we always have to talk. Yeah, so we got the raccoon family.
Enough love in the raccoon family. Only for blessing. Like I make provide it, you know.
Yeah.
Man, as genius come, it's up and running back, you know.
Yeah. I will call this not rice and peas, because you know that's rice and peas, right? We call it nice and peas.
Nice and peas. So from this day forth, when I go to the restaurant, I'm asking for some nice and peas.
Yeah. And then probably ask you, what name nice and peas, you know?
I say Kino, the dream team.
Alright.
Nice and peas. So when him cook, you say, whoa.
I can't even stand this close. I haven't eaten.
I get him down to my size, you know.
So you got to see the wow chef cooking.
Yeah.
And you go like, whoa. You know? The raccoon family. To see the raccoon family, we give thanks, you know, much love. As I say, raccoon family, we want to big up in yourself and really thank you know, so much, you know, because the love you want to show me, the love you want to have me, I tell you, it's unreal, you know, it's going to remind me of us, the way we're living out here with nothing but love, you know, and then stick together as a team, like how we stick together as a team, so we'll show them we have in the kitchen as well, too.
Yeah, man, straight, man, I in the kitchen, you know, outside, you know.
Alright, so,
yeah, man.
Well, lady, so show our raccoon family will go in the kitchen, come on. So see the raccoon. This is from the raccoon family.
Raccoon family.
The nice and peas on there, so.
Fried chicken.
So the stew chicken. Gravy are cooked and everything. I have to give thanks to the raccoon family like that. I'm telling you, the raccoon family, brother, the way them live, you know, tell you, brother, it's nothing about love and unity, the way them do it perfect. The raccoon family.
Yeah, man, that's the one love in the raccoon family. Yeah, man, I will give thanks for this, man. Appreciate it, man. One love, man. Straight love, man. Because we see it, you know, sister, I love you, sister. I love you, set you, you know.
Yes, sir.
One team, dream team. Yeah, man. No other team.
Yeah, man. So give thanks to the raccoon family. Perfect. Yeah, man. Raccoon family. Yeah. Enough love and enough thanks, you know. Yeah, man. I appreciate love. Bless up. Alright. Raccoon. So we have some donation we'll give out to the team now. Alright. Well. Dream team. One team. One team.
Dream team.
Clean team.
One team.
Well. Welcome. We could give Christmas list a round of applause, please. We have Christmas list. Welcome. I'm here to welcome myself back home, see them here. Welcome myself back home. Yes. On the land, Jackson. Tell him where to go. Rasta Jackson, so that's Rasta Jackson. I must say it's good to be back, you know, and the journey continue. And we have a box or ship off as well too, with some things tonight for the members, and we also have some tools tonight from Fabulous Brothers as well too, towards the members them. We have to give thanks to Fabulous Brothers and give thanks to all the extended family, you know. So we have a box to ship off, and we have a barrel as well to ship off, you know, say things tonight for the members them, food barrel for the members, and box with things in there for clothes and things for the members. You know, we have to give thanks again once more. We give them a round of applause. And I also have donation as well too for the members them. And I also have US as well too for individuals are the members. And we also have bling bling, as you can see over here, for a couple of the members them. Whoa, From Kev Lifestyle, yard and abroad. Look at Kev Lifestyle, yard and abroad. A round of applause from Kev Lifestyle, yard and abroad. So everybody's not here today, you know, so we're gonna always work with what we have. Cause I'm gonna say people work, so we always have to can work with me, and the rest of the members is not here. So we're gonna start off with some US, or we have individual members. And we have Mighty Joe Young. We have Mighty Joe Young. So we have 100 US here. You know Mighty Joe Young, who is one of the members them who in house burned down and kind of lost everything as well. So you know, and we got some support for him through the program same way. And I'm still on a rebuilding project same way. So this is Mighty Joe where he's starting back over as well too. So we also have a donation for him as well too from country. From the USA, send 100 US here for you from country.
Country, thank you for your blessing and your grace. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your respect. Thank you for your love and your show. Not me, but the rest. Thank you. Respect every time.
Alright. Whoa! We're doing chef. Whoa, come here, whoa, whoa, you know. New York twice, you know, not once, you know.
Twice. We are from art, you know.
Yeah.
Straight man, you know.
So we have 50 US as well to for wow chef from Tavares.
Tavares.
You know Robert Tavares, who I was in a comment section, yeah. So
Tavares. Tavares takes a lie, you know.
Yeah.
There's no fluff in the Tavares, you know.
Yeah.
Two art them and yeah.
Twice.
No, yeah.
I also want for Smiley from Tavares as well to Robert Tavares. 50 US here. Robert Tavares.
Thank you very much again, my family, my friend, Robert Tavares. Love you. Mwah.
And we have Joe. Joe, come again, Joe. We have a next 50 US here for Joe from Robert Tavares as well.
Tavares, Robert, thank you for your blessing and your love. Thank you for your respect. Respect to you and the rest of them every time.
Yeah. Alright, so. Alright, and we have Sovilia husband in a way there. Everybody tall. Where? Oh, the smallest one. Catch you everybody tall, could even see him. So we have 40 US here from your wife, Sovilia, Mr. Sam. Yeah. Nobody not here. Come and say talk to your wife. How you talk to your wife?
And smiling.
Look at the camera. Talk to your wife. Alright, dream team. Sovilia, I hope your sister get shy, you know. And we have Smiley. Where Kylo? Oh, she said she didn't know nothing with Zaire because Zaire dash her away. It's Kylo, I think there. So me have so Jella, me have one for Layla. I have 20 US here, Jella. Come Jenna for Layla from Sovilia.
Good mate speak for itself.
Yeah.
Love you, Sovilia. Big up yourself.
Bonus here.
This show me from a job.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. May the good Lord bless and keep us safe. 1 year. 1 year.
Yeah. We have Mighty Joe. Come in, Joe. We have $4,000 a year for you, Joe. From the Raccoon family.
Raccoon. Thank you for the meal and thank you for your grace. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your blessing. Thank you for your respect. Love.
How much I wrote you?
Alright, we have Kylo. We have 20 US here for you from Sovilia.
Thanks, Sovilia. Hope your empty bar never ever.
the food basket never empty. Go on, say it again. Say your food basket. Say your food basket never empty. Say it.
Food basket never empty. Hope you have a great day.
Alright, dream team. Yeah, it's getting there. Sam's, just yarn him apart, so just show him the chef so it go. You know, I will give thanks, and that's the US, I will give thanks. Well. So right now, we have a donation from country. You know, we have 1,500 each to the members them. 1,500 each from country, from the USA. We give country a round of applause, please. So come. I have bombing ball here up on my left hand. Bombing ball, what you give me the money them so fix them good. Come natural. So we have 15 days here from country for the members then.
Blessing country. Thank you very much, you know. Well appreciated.
Alright then. Whoa!
Country, no fluff, you know. Thank you very much, yeah. Go on, man, yeah.
Yeah. Come here, with the clap then,
Country, all the love in the country, all the blessing. One team,
dream team. Alright.
Country, blessing and love, your food basket never empty. One team,
dream team.
Jackson, come show.
Yeah, one love, every time. Enough love, extended family. Love every time.
Alright.
Thank you very much. May your food basket never empty, you know, blessings.
Alright.
Country, one love again, you know, from the dream team, you know, and all our extended family. God bless you.
Yeah.
Country, one love and blessing. Thanks.
David, come.
Thank you very much, country. May your food basket never empty. Blessing. Big up all my extended family. Solivia, big up yourself.
Yeah. Come, Kino.
Country, thank you very much, and hope your food basket never empty. All of the extended family, one team, dream team.
One team. Country, may the good Lord bless you and keep us safe. Dream team,
one team.
All of my members, them love.
Country, from up a country, respect and love. Every time.
Yeah.
Every time.
Country. No, thanks. Blessing. Not only for me, but for the team members. Blessing. Come to life fast.
Country, give thanks, you know, God bless you and your family, you know. More love always.
Yeah. Barnabas.
Bless in our country, pick up yourself, you know, every time, you know, your food basket will never empty, you know.
Yeah.
Right and the left, one team, dream team.
Alright, come from country.
Country, big up yourself and hold it for respect. See me down, I don't know.
So we have Worm is not here, Electrician is not here. And who else? Yeah, I'm not here, so you know, for them things I'm playing in the safe. Extra keep that one there well safe. So I said I would give thanks to country, we'll give him a round of applause, country. Alright, so I have a donation here from so we get 300 US, right? So we get 200 from the man from 8.5 Street. And we get 100 from Lloyd Richard, and Lloyd Richard is a man now we come from 4th Street, you know. And if you watch the program, I went to visit him in Florida. So him give 100 US towards the team, and country also give me 200. So we merge it together, so everybody could get 2,000 each. So we merge one from Lloyd and the man from 8.5 Street. I will give them a round of applause. Please. So we have 2,000 each. So we have natural from Lloyd and the man from 8.5 Street.
Blessed from life and 8.5 Street. Thank you very much and well appreciated every time.
Alright.
All across.
Man from 8.5 Street, you know. Enough love. Holy blessing.
And from 2 heart.
You know.
Not 1 or 2 heart. 8.5 Street.
8.5
and lied.
And lied. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you, and thank you, and thank you again. Respect. Next time.
Come to people.
8.5 Street, live, respect, thanks. Not only for
Yeah.
but to the team members.
Yeah.
Live, name same. 8.5 Street, give thanks and blessings.
Yeah. From last.
Light from 8.5 Street, big up yourself and a whole heap of respect.
Light from 8.5
Lied and the man from 8.5 Street.
Light and the man from 8.5 Street, blessed and one love, thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, lied.
Light and the man from 8.5 Street, whole heap of love and a whole heap of respect. One team,
Dream team. Live and the man from 8.5 Street, blessed. May good Lord keep on guide and protect on all the time. No food basket never run dry. Dream team.
Rasta Jacks, why? And lied.
Yeah, lied.
And the man from
8.5 Street.
Yeah.
Enough respect, enough love. Every time. Extended family.
Come from Lied and 8.5 Street.
From Lied and the man from 8.5 Street.
Yeah.
Yes, up and big up yourself. May food basket never run dry.
Lied and the man from 8.5 Street, open up food basket never empty. Father God bless them. One team,
Dream team. Lied and the man from 8.5 Street. More blessings and more love. Dream team. One team.
Yeah.
That's myself in a life from 8.5 Street, you know, enough love and enough respect, you know. One team.
Dream team. DB.
Lied. Estagona and the man from 8.5 Street. May on the food basket never empty. And blessings.
Yeah.
Big up all of the extended family.
Lied, say, have him eye up my ear, you know. Jella.
Lied and the man from 8.5 Street.
Come on, man, we'll give him a round of applause, now, man. So we'll give thanks. I see him. I see that box there. Bring that box there from right there, so. That box there just right behind us, so I see him. Drive up, driver. Come on. Alright, so we have this drink got for the team as well too. From the Raccoon family, same way. As I can see, we give thanks, same way from the Raccoon family. And the meal from the Raccoon family, same way. Yeah. It's a dream team. One team. Dream team. Alright, driver, you pass me the pass there. So right now, Rasta Jackson and the wow. We already see it, you know, Mother Teresa on the first step forward, now for please. So we have the bling bling here. Yeah.
Oh.
Come to the driver.
Alright, so we have the whoa. We have the whoa, you know. And it's a drip from Kev Lifestyle Yard and abroad.
Kev Lifestyle from yard and abroad. Enough love and respect, you know.
Yeah. Aye. Put it on the neck now, man. Just show it over. Whoa, you know. Well, a drip. See there? Yeah.
Look more freezing, you know.
Alright.
From Lifestyle, you know.
Yeah.
Enough love in the general. Holy blessing, you know.
Yeah. So we'll give thanks from Kev Lifestyle Yard and abroad. So right now the whole chef is dripping. And we have Mother Teresa as well too, as I can see from Kev Lifestyle. I still in it see me.
If lifestyle, you got to say, love me, because love bling.
Yeah.
You're your wife, you're your family. One team.
Dream team. Alright, now we have Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson drip.
We have the Rasta Jackson. Well. Man said the Rasta Jackson. Yeah. Got it. Esther, put your hand on the wrist. Yeah. Put your hand on the wrist there.
Right now, your wrist is going to fall. Frozen.
Freezing. Freezing.
Kev lifestyle, yard and a broad.
More love in the time.
See, Team. One team.
I can't hear what the one.
Say it again now.
One team. What I love in the extended family.
Alright, and so as I said, I have some names, but I go call, you know, a comparer and choose something, right? Same so also from Kev Lifestyle, yard and abroad. You know. Why banana? Why? Alright, and so light box. Come through light box. Something of your choice. Choose something of your choice. So anything you touch, I eat, you know. For you touch one thing, I eat. You see this? So it's from Kev Lifestyle.
Kev Lifestyle. Give thanks and blessings, you know.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Alright. We have boom. We have boom as well. Boom. Come through, boom. Boom.
Anything we touch.
Yeah.
Anything we touch.
Alright then. So Kev Lifestyle.
Lifetime. Thanks and one love.
Yeah. Salpe. Alright.
Kev Lifestyle. What if I love, you know? Big up to your wife, you know. One team.
Alright. We have prefect. True prefect. Kev Lifestyle.
Kev Lifestyle. Enough love.
Round of applause now. Come now, man. Walk on with the clap now, man. Sure. Okay, we have Barney Bob. Come through Barney Bob. Man, we get the left and the right. You know, Barney has to get the left and the right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come again, come thank him again, man. Come and carry the low.
Big up to all who don't know this, you know.
Kev Lifestyle.
Kev Lifestyle, you know. One love, you know, one team, you know. Dream team.
One team.
Every time. More love and more happiness.
Alright. Mighty Joe. Come through, Mighty Joe. Mighty Joe Young.
Blessed and respect. Thanks.
Jenna.
One Jenna.
So, make your choice, Jenna.
Jenna one.
Jenna.
Just go.
Hey, you ask her for help. Help yourself.
Kev Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Kev Lifestyle.
Yeah. Let me put it down for you now. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Dream team, one team, one team, dream team lifestyle.
Alright, and we have natural as well too. Natural. Like me don't know so that one the natural I got take, you know.
Big up from Kev Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much for everything, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah man, and our respect.
Alright. Alright, where am I? Where am I down here? Where am I down here? From lad, come through. Whoa. Kev Lifestyle.
Kev Lifestyle, you don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
If I love and respect, bless it, may food basket never empty.
Yeah. Dream team. Yeah, Hero and Wormy there. So one two ladies come choose one for Wormy and one for Hero like how them are there. Yeah? Esther, pick for Hero and who come pick for Wormy? Who you prefer? Wormy. Out the kitchen. Alright, so another one here we go for Kedan. Yeah, so can reach this to Kedan.
Yeah man, can say gonna find me cook them a find for you. Yeah man. Yeah man, Kedan, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Respect, Kev Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Holy for blessing.
Yeah. Alright, Esther, Hero.
You understand?
I understand.
You understand, Kev? Hero.
Yeah.
Kev, Wormy, not upon the ground right now, so we stop it. Thank you very much. One team, dream.
Alright, so come across now. We say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
I know I'm still really have to give thanks. I'm still we have a box and it's weird. You know, we have tools and we have stuff in there for the members them as well too. We also have a food barrel and the water as well too, and it's weird. You know, so I'm saying see all the blessings. We have really have to give thanks and really appreciate. I would thank our extended family so much, you know, for the effort, you know, for make the thing work. I would say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
We give them a round of applause now. We'll close them off now, please. We give them a round of applause. Hey, something that on there. Yo, it's not sound right.
Kino, you know, all the not talking the whole on us say Kino is the man of the thing, you know, the scheme of the dream and he come with it. They make the dream and work for the youth them and everybody. Also the people them around the community. Subscriber, donor, extended family, big up on yourself, you know. One love, you know, without Kino couldn't happen, it happen now. One love, more love.
More love, more love, more love, more love, more love, more strength. I'm saying it's only the way forward. Yeah, we always say forward ever and backward never. And the journey shall continue same way. I know we have the standard project to move on to same way. So we have the wow chef to get kick way same way. And we want to get scanner, you can see scanner there. Come here scanner. And we want to get scanner makeover as well too. You know. Scanner is a man where they almost tell themselves them give up and them have hope now. So Scanner is a man who want to give him a makeover as well too, because natural says a quick and fast thing for him, right? So we want to give him a quick makeover because we already have a donation put down for him from the longest while from Celia as well too for help out with him situation. So Chris, this is the man that I was telling you about. We're going to see him place. Okay. So I know after when you finish, we can go around there, we can have a look, see him here. And we have the wow chef. Yeah, and we have Talpi as well too for them project been working on. Okay. So that is it. And there's a journey I continue, there's many more. And it's only the start. And it's because a long-term thing is never a short-term. So I want to go and tell you one theory is to hurt you. Baby, when I hurt you, baby.
Frozen.
And the finger, baby. And the gold. Yeah. Yeah man, so we'll give them a round of applause, please. Most Chris. We thank most Chris so much as well to passing through. It's really a blessing. And we have drink on the house, same way. From the Raccoon family, we have food on the house, so we got all our vibes and we're gonna make it work as usual. Dream team, one team, and it's the only real team. So we want to take our next member as well to Wormy. That is Chris Muslis.
One Chris, you know?
Yes, sir.
That's a Chris.
You know?
Yeah, just good. You Wormy him donation as well.
Give thanks to you, sweet me.
Yeah.
Blessings are blessings, you know? One dream team, you know, extended family. Straight love.
See your blingers there? From Kev Lifestyle.
Kev Lifestyle. Might go in the right away after going on.
Yeah. From Kev.
Yeah.
Kev Lifestyle.
Kev Lifestyle, you know? Give
Yeah,
thanks,
no,
you know?
bruh. See the wrist there, freeze.
You know? See me I say? That is it, father. Big up. Love, straight, that's it.
Every
One
time.
dream team.
And we also have a donation we have for the members them. What are from Ocean again? How much are 2?
8.5.
Oh, so that we are from Lyde, man named Lyde Richards, and a man from 8.5 Street. So we have 2,000 for you then.
8.5 Street, man named Lyde.
Yeah.
You know, I love straight, you know. Give thanks and blessings, same way, you know. Can't complain. One dream team, same way. Love.
And we have 1,500 there for you from country as well too.
Alright, you know, one country, you know, blessings, you know. I love straight, that's it. Give thanks and blessings, same way. Love. Every time.
Every time.
One team.
Dream team. Nothing cheap. One team.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better